Hello viewers, today we are going to see about electron emission. We know that metals have free electrons. Electrons are negatively charged particles that are responsible for their conductivity. However, the free electrons cannot normally escape out of the metal surface. If an electron attempts to come out of the metal surface acquires a positive charge and pulls the electron back to the metal. The free electron is thus held inside the metal surface by the attractive forces of the ions. Consequently, the electron can come out of the metal surface only if it has got sufficient energy to overcome the attractive pull. A certain minimum amount of energy is required to be given to an electron to pull it out from the surface of the metal. This minimum energy required by an electron to escape from the metal surface is called the work function of the metal. It is generally denoted by pi naught and measured in electron volt. 1 electron volt is the energy gained by an electron when it has been accelerated by a potential difference of 1 volts, so that 1 electron volt is equal to 1.602 into 10 power minus 19 joules. This unit of energy is commonly used in atomic and nuclear physics. The work function phi naught depends on the properties of the metals and the nature of its surface. The values of work function of some metals are given in table 11.1. These values are approximate as they are very sensitive to surface impurities. Okay. Note from table 11.1 that the work function of the platinum is the highest. Phi naught is 5.65 electron volt, while it is the lowest for cesium, which is phi naught is equal to 2.14 electron volt. The minimum energy required for the electron emission from the metal surface can be supplied to the free electrons by any one of the following physical process. This we will see in the next class, but before that we will see some work functions of some metals. If you see the tabulation, cesium is having a work function of 2.14 electron volts. That means anything slight above this value, 2.14 electron volt, electrons are released from the cesium metal. If you look at copper, it is 4.65 electron volt is the work function. So anything slightly above this value will release electron from the metal copper. Similarly, we have seen already for platinum, the work function is 5.65 electron volt. So a slight above this value, electrons are released from the metal platinum. So this is the minimum energy required. If it is less than this, electrons will not be released from that particular metal. The idea is each material have its own work function. Suppose if you want to release electron from aluminum, you have to supply with a minimum energy of 4.28 electron volt. Slightly above this value will release electron from aluminum. So that's all about work functions, concept of some metals. Tabulation is given here. Hope you have understood this topic. Thanks for watching. Nandri.